Okay, we'll go and take a look here at the Lotus Excel. We're actually at the Interclassics Maastricht show, which starts tomorrow. So, kind of cool event. Cars on display, up for sale. Let's walk around here. It's an 88, right about 62,000, a little 63,000 miles. Two of our mechanics are here. I asked them about it, and they said excellent car. They both driven it, gone through it. We'll have to get rolled to see exactly some history of where it came from, the collector that had it before, how well he was taking care of his automobiles, which apparently exceptionally well. I noticed one little nick on the front bumper on the corner, but besides that, exterior paint shows very well. This thing's just neat all the way around. I'm not really familiar with them, so I can't speak educated about it. That's the only little nick I saw. The power locks do work because I just unlocked it a second ago. Looks like there's the triangles, little kit, fire extinguisher. So all around the car is in great shape. Currently has, it's rolled over, so 101,520 kilometers. So yeah, there's a good first impression video. Let me get this uploaded. Get the door panel here. And then we can go from there, see what your thoughts are on it. You know, if you need startup and driving and, you know, everything more detailed. But this is a good walk around preview, I guess. So we will be in touch. If you have any questions, yeah, you'll have my email address.